Hello to all my friends out there. So I survived the veggie days, and so now I just want to go back to like regular food, you know. And so I want to make some Spanish rice. You guys are probably like me. You probably made it all the time. Okay, I had an old-fashioned recipe, and what it was a long time ago. You know, when we were kids. We went to church. The ladies at the church put together a cookbook, and of course I can't find mine, but I found a recipe that's very similar. Okay, I had half a package of this beef patty skillet mix left, so I go, okay, that'll be good. And then yesterday at Smart and Final, they had this bag of, I'll show you. It was an apple, it was an orange, it was 2 bell peppers, 1 yellow, 1 green. Okay, so I go, okay, I have a bell pepper, so that is what I need. Let's see, then I put some dry onion, about a tablespoon. I didn't put garlic because the tomatoes I'm going to use have garlic, minced dry basil, and dry rosemary. Okay, our old recipe didn't call for basil and rosemary, but you know, I just happen to have some, so I thought, okay, let's try. These are good. I bought these at 99 cents only. This is going to be good. Then it calls for oil, cook until vegetables are tender, and stir in 2 cups of hot water. I boiled my water. 1 cup chopped tomatoes and 1 cup rice. Okay, so since I'm making kind of a small batch, I had, you know, a little pile of rice. I had some rice in the stockpile, a little bag. And then, you know, I'll just use like about a half a can of tomatoes. I could add the whole can, but, you know, I don't want my tomatoes overpowering my Spanish rice. Cook covered. And then I already added salt and pepper, and let me give you a recipe. Okay, I was happy because someone found one of the cookbooks yesterday. So this is a cookbook, you know, and this is the early Spanish rice. It says, for the Spaniard settlers, like their compadres at home, rice was a favorite dish. It was usually prepared with fresh herbs. Unlike later versions of Spanish rice, few chilies were used. I think chilies may be used in place of the bell peppers. So, okay, so now I will just cover this and, you know, I'll cook it down on low until, you know, everything is, till the liquid is pretty, this is going to be good, till the liquid is pretty much going to be cooked into my rice. Okay, I'll be back.